Is your Wix website looking more like a scrambled puzzle than a polished page on phones and tablets? Let's fix that. First, open your Wix website editor and make sure you're in the main editor view. This is where the magic happens. Now, look at the top bar. See that little mobile phone icon? Click it. This switches you to the mobile view of your site. Okay, yikes, as you can see, things are often a little messy. Don't panic. Wix automatically optimizes, but manual adjustments are key. Grab elements and drag them around, resize them using the handles until they look good on the mobile screen. Remember, mobile is all about vertical scrolling. See that optimized mobile view button? Give it a click. It's like a quick tidy up, automatically rearranging elements, but always double check its work. Use the layer panel to select elements that are overlapping. Consider hiding less important elements for the mobile view to keep things clean and fast. Test, test, test. Use the preview button to see how your site looks on different phone sizes, and even better, grab your own phone and check it out live. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Wix website looks fantastic on any device, boosting user engagement and keeping your visitors happy. Now go make your website responsive.